In this video, we're going to find f prime of 1/2 when f of x is square root of 1 minus x squared plus 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared plus inverse sine of x. So f prime of x. So we can think of square root of 1 minus x squared as 1 minus x squared to the 1/2 power. Bring this to the front and minus 1. So this will be 1/2. 1 minus x squared. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. And then times the derivative of the inside, which is negative 2x. And then we do the same thing for this. So 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared is rewritten as 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. So this will be negative 1/2, 1 minus x squared. Negative 1/2 minus 1, which is negative 3/2, times the derivative of the inside, which is minus 2x. And then the derivative of inverse sine x is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. So now we're going to plug in f prime of 1/2. This will be 1/2. We can cancel some stuff out. So 2 over 2 will cancel. This negative 2 and this negative 1/2 will cancel. So I will rewrite f prime of x. So this will be, so we have negative x over, so 1 minus x squared is the negative 1/2. We can rewritten as 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. And then we have plus, so we'll have x all over, we have square root of 1 minus x squared, and then to the third power because it's 3/2 on the bottom. And then we have plus 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. So now we can just plug in f prime of 1/2. This will be negative 1/2 over, okay, so 1 minus 1/2 squared, and the square root of 1 minus 1/2 squared is square root of 4 over 4 minus 1/4, which is square root of 3 over square root of 4, which is 2. So knowing that, we can just plug that in to places that we know the value of. So we have this first place, so this will be square root of 3 over 2. If I can bring the 2 to the front, and this 2 will cancel. Then we have plus 1/2. And then this will just be the cube root of 3 over 2 cubed plus 1 over the cube root of 3, and then over 2, but the 2 can go to the top. So this will cancel out to be negative 1 over square root of 3, and this 2 over square root of 3 is just 1 over square root of 3. And then plus, this will be, so taking square root of a and then raising it to the third power is square root of a squared times square root of a. And a is greater than 0, in this greater than or equal to 0 in this case. So the square root of a squared is just a, and then square root of a. So this will be 1/2 all over 3 root 3 over 2 cubed is 8. And I can bring the 8 to the top by multiplying by 8 on both top and bottom. So this will be 1 over square root of 3. 8 over 2 is 4 over 3 square root of 3. So common denominator, 3 over 3. So now we can combine these. So 3 plus 4 is 7 over 3 root 3. And that is the answer to this question, and that's the end of the video.